road.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, you know, make your face and make it up.
What you do, son?
Come on, come on, stop it, come on. Come on,
Don't even try it.
come on, come on. Pedro. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Stop it, come on. Come on. Stop it, come on. Come on. Stop it, come on. Come on.
Don't even try it. Don't even try it. Don't even try it.
Pedro.
Come back and see if I don't lick you. Come back and see if I don't lick you. Come back and see if I don't lick you. Come back and see if I don't lick you. Yes, Mr. Wilby. Yeah, man. No. When is it gonna? Oh, so the contract has been awarded. Good. Great. So we can look to starting to start the road. Great. All right. Thanks. Respect. So a lot of times I show you the good roads that we're fixing, or the roads that we have fixed. I want to show you the bad roads in my constituency. This is from ALDERTON going up to 8 Mile. I saw the Facebook comments and I saw the Instagram comments. And I just wanted to assure you that this road is going to start shortly. So the potholes here, the contract has been awarded. I just got off the phone with the NWA. So this is actually going to start very, very soon. The acceptance letter has been sent to the contractor, so they're just supposed to sign it, and then we can start. So those of you who live in Alderton, coming all the way up to 8 Mile, this road is going to be fixed. So a lot of the jugo driving will stop. Hi everybody, I wanted to show you the work we're doing from Clermont going all the way up to Pedro. Some of you might not know of those areas if you don't live in Southeast St. Anne, but they're beautiful. You can look around and see some of the most beautiful hills and countryside that you have in Jamaica. So for those of you who live in Bensonton, Harmonyvale and Drumley, you're now getting a smoother ride. Or taximen or pedestrians, people who go to church, if they have to go to the hospital now, there are no more potholes that you have coming all the way down. My problem though is the trees. And the overhang of the trees is what has really given us a problem in this area, because when it rains, the water keeps dripping on the road. Come. Water keeps dripping on the road, and that's what creates the potholes. So on Labor Day, we're going to come out and we're going to cut all these overhangs going all the way up. Hi, so I drive these roads in my constituency as well, and I just want to tell you the roads that we've been fixing under the program. We've done from Fatesman to Hopewell. As you can see, I've started the town of Monique, and we should finish up by tomorrow so our taxi drivers can feel safe. This used to be a really big pothole, and we're doing from Camperdown, coming straight down into the town, down to the crossroads. But give us a little time, because I've fixed under both bridges. One out by China Harbour as well. So these are some of the roads in Monique that we're doing. So if you have any questions, call my office at 972-3340 and let us know what we can do for you, because I know what it is like to drive on bad roads, because I drive them too, and I really don't want my taximan them or any citizen to have to be fixing their front end too often. All right? Oh, I fixed the road from Golden Grove. I'm going to go all the way down to Lima.
School.
No, well, we're going all the way. Yes, we're going down there. And we fix money. Somebody take care of my taxi man.
Nice, man. That's smooth.
Where's about the road? Where's about the road?
Smooth.
Smooth. Alright.
Kenny bus driver. Alright, we can say something. Alright. Don't you take me home to the place where I belong, to Lisa Hanna, I'm so deep sentence, it's a country road. More you gonna sing for me now? Sing loud now, man. Country road, take me home to the place where I belong, I'm so deep sentence. That's where I am. Country road, take me home. Lisa, I know when she run road, you know. Tell her when she run road, you know.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.